What's going on, YouTube? All I can say to you guys right now is that I'm fucking pissed. My GoPro. I was making this badass video right now. Just fucking, in my car. Had a suction cup. My GoPro. Was doing some nasty pulls. Did a loop. I stopped really quick just to see it, hoping my GoPro would still be there. Fucking gone. Fucking looped around. And then I had to retrace my steps driving like a granny. Super fucking slow. I went all the way back to where I live, and as soon as I was leaving the whole apartment area, as I was retracing my steps, and I saw it laying there on the floor, pulled over, got out of my car, went to go get it. It's fucking horrible, man. I don't know what the fuck to say. Y'all see this shit, my dudes? Y'all see this? This is my fucking GoPro, man. Fucking suction cup. Fucking, oh my god. Fucking pissed, man. GoPro won't replace it. They say it's unreplaceable now because they got crushed. I'm fucking pissed, man. That's literally $4 plus down the drain, man. I don't know. This type of shit is demoralizing, man. Just when I had great things planned. Fuck, man. I just wanted to let you guys know what happened, but I'm pissed, man. I'm gonna start filming with my phone. Like, like back in the day, I guess, but I feel like the GoPro really helped. Fuck, I'm pissed. Just wanted to give you guys an update of what happened, man. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, Anything helps. Hopefully sooner or later I could get back and, get another GoPro, but for right now, that little time is up. I only had it for a little bit. I had to record it now because I want you guys to see, like, how I really feel during this time. Fucking dumb, man. Fucking pissed. Thank you guys for watching, man. Peace.